Hi, my name is Lexi and I am a lifeguard at the SRWC. Today, I'm going to be giving some quick tips on swimming a 500-yard swim. Tips that I think are very important to remember are making sure your form and technique of the stroke is correct, pacing, and finally, mental preparedness. An improper freestyle form doesn't just hurt your style, it results in inefficiency and may even cause injury. Proper breathing can greatly help your form. Focus on exhaling underwater. Hold your head still between breaths and when exhaling. Lifting your head causes your legs to drop, creating drag, and over-rotating your head causes you to over-rotate your entire body. Also, having a flip turn can help you save energy and save time. Because of the long distance, it's important to pace yourself. If you start out too fast, you will run out of energy before finishing, but starting too slow can affect your time. Swimming a 500 can seem like a lot, and it can be very intimidating. It is important to have a good mindset and be ready for the swim. In addition to the mindset, you also want to make sure that this is something your body can handle and you want to build up to swimming a 500. So start small and take some time to build into it, like over a couple of weeks of training. You can never be too prepared. It is also very important to remember that anything can happen, for example, cramping. So it is vital to swim only when a lifeguard is on duty. This can prevent injury and even death. Remember, even the Olympics has a lifeguard.